You may now proceed to the assembly area.
Morning! Like Davao City. Hindi tayo makakapunta sa harap nito kasi marami na. Okay lang. Ganda ng lighting, no? Nakakaputi. Try natin sa harap. Makasingit pa. Singit tayo. Makasingit.
Tonight is a very special day for us because we dedicated this for all of you. Some of our runners came all the way from provinces just to join us today. So I am very, very happy.
We decided to partner with Coach Rio. This is the year's ating Santi Barley Run Trilogy Run Asia once more. Are you guys ready to take on the 21K for leg 2? That's more like it.
And good morning, ladies and gentlemen. His name is Alex.
My name is Alex. I'll be your host. I'll be your voice together with my partner here, Melanie.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. May we know the first timers who are here today? First timers.
First timers. How about that? Huh? Look around, check out Rio de la Cruz. We'll be running with you guys. Okay, there are more events coming right up. Okay. The stage is yours, Zen.
Maayong buntag sa tanan. Ready na ba?
Okay, we're so proud to support your passion for health and wellness. So be sure to visit our booth later to get freebies and
ladies and gentlemen, last 30 seconds. Woo!
Yes, we're running with.
Let's go. Oh, lagpas 21. Sabto. 1 hour 58 minutes. Tara. Sabto. Hirap mag-shoot guys. Walang shoot during the run. Kasi sayang oras. Sayang oras eh. Pa tayo ng shirt, finisher shirt, saka yung look pad.
We have more 21K runners, more 10K runners.
And as you come to the race village, we would like
Easy
to
run lang,
remind you to
guys.
please check your race
Matapos
bib.
eh.
May raffle stock po dyan. So dito po sa harap ng stage, meron po tayo table. We have a box. Please don't forget to drop your raffle stubs before you get your snacks. Your snacks is all the way on the left as you turn to the Gatorade arc. Dire-diretso, makikita niyo yung stage. After the stage, you go straight to the place.
We wait for your raffle stop, so we will be giving away lots of prizes for the
4,000 daw ang runners. Sa 21 kilometers, meron more than 2,000 participants. Medyo marami. I don't know last time kung 6,000. Hindi ko na matandaan. Pero parang mas marami yung last time kaysa ngayon. Parang hindi ako sure. 21 kilometers. So yun. This is my pang-ilan? Fourth 21 kilometers this month. Tapos June 1, 21 kilometers tayo. Or lang 21. Mamuna tayo ng sorbetes, ice cream. Gusto ko ng taho. Pero later na sobrang haba ng pila. Ay yung pila. See that pila.
Kita tuyo kayo.
What category and also kung magkano po ang nawawala sa inyo. Anong pera ang nawawala sa inyo. Okay. So, meron po tayong local fountain doon po sa mga award. Thank God. From the previous races, meron bang nawalan sunsinan mo to at kotse? Wala ka na namin pamigay yung kotse. Pero in our cool down session today, get yourselves ready, right in front of the stage, because here she comes, Zin Pioli!
Hello, good morning, Valerius Brothers! Good morning, thank you so much, ma'am! Magandang introduction po.
Boys! Let's go, friends!
Pila sana ako dyan sa PR Breaker kasi naka-break ako ng record ko from 2 hours and 5 minutes. Ngayon yung 21 kilometers ko 1 hour and 58. So gaganyan sana ako. First, wala akong kaibigan dito na nandito ngayon. Kung nandito man sila, hindi ko sila makita, sobrang dami ng tao. And kung nakita niyo yung pila from there papunta doon, sobrang haba ng pila. So hindi na ako mag-ano ng tawag nito ng hindi na ako mag-ano ng bell, tsaka win na ako kasi hindi naman ako maswerte sa raffle. Win na tayo. Maraming tao, guys. So this is my second Hoka event. I don't know kung kailan ang 3rd August siguro kasi March yung una, March, April, May. Tama. So 2 months sa pagitan. Ano pa yun? Sir! Kamusta? Congrats! Try natin ito, makahintay ng water. Meron pang water. That's right. Meron pang. Wala na, di ba?
Wait!
Ayun! Salis. Uwi na tayo. Nakita ko nagti-TikTok, sabi niya. Ay, nako. Pasulahan. Kanina lang during the race, ang hirap magtapon ng mga cups kasi yung mga basurahan nandoon lang din sa may station ng water. Dapat naglagay sila ng ng basurahan after mga ilang mga meters para matapon naming maigi yung ano namin, yung anong tawag nito, yung cup. Anyway, matapos na tayo ng 21 kilometers for today's video, diba? On 21 guns, that is. So it's my 4th 21 kilometers this month. So this coming June, I still have 4 events na 21 kilometers din. So yun. Basta I don't know, basta hoka talaga, mabilis talaga akong tumakbo. I don't know, imagine natapos ako ng 1 hour and 58. Imagine that. So ayun. Oh, naglakad na lang sila, 21 kilometers. Sa bagay, 7:30 naman ang cut-off time. It's 6:40. Ayun sila, lalakad sila. Pakita ko sa inyo. Doesn't matter how long yung duration mo, as long as matapos mo siya within the expected time of 4 hours. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Huwag nyo masyadong dibdibin na, ay, hindi ako nakaabot ng ganitong PR, ganyan-ganyan. Or, pasalamat ka na na tawag nito? Natapos mo siya. Ayun. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-picture, guys, doon sa loob kasi ang problem is kalakot, laki ng truck. Ang problem, ang dami-daming tao. Hindi ka na rin mag-i-enjoy na mag-picture kasi sobrang crowded of volley. Go. Sobrang crowded. So, ano na tayo? Uwi ang time. O, diba? Dito na ako sa... So, doon, let's wait for a toxi. Kung may toxi, walang toxi, mag-jeff tayo. Ang hirap, I cannot send messages inside kasi sobrang hina ng signal. I don't know kung dahil sa sobrang dami ng tao, hindi ko alam. So yun, till my next run, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for all your support and love. Sana wag kayong magsasawa. Love, love. Bye.